It's not generating a positive cash flow because that's why something like 80% of people are negatively geared.
Oh, it's shocking at the minute. Let's cover one more topic. We'll talk about the Friday topic, which is German companies are now favouring the US over China. And then we'll wrap it up, and we've got another week that was for next week as well. So, look, the US are undergoing an investment boom. Thanks to Mr. Biden's Inflation Reduction Act. And Germany wants into it. But I actually don't know what that means. You've done more research on that than
their investments doubled from last year, right?
Yeah. It means you can no longer export from Germany to the United States unfettered. And again, if you go back and look at Japan, in about the 80s, when all the deregulation and everything started, Japan is number one and we're going to take over the world, right? And they had the property bubble and they had the stock market bubble. The Americans had to go to the Japanese and say, I think it was about 1986, right? They went over and they called it the Plaza Accord, right? And what it was the Americans going to the Japanese and saying, guys, you got to stop stuffing around with your currency, your exchange rate, keeping it artificially low so you can continue to export millions of cars to the American market, and you're wiping out Holden, Ford and Chrysler.
Yeah.
Right? So what they said was, you come and build car factories in the US, right? If you want access to our market, no problem. But you build them in, Montana instead of Shizuoka.
Yep. Invest in jobs.
Exactly.